Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Interesting, the equity markets enter the month of October. Traditionally that has been quite a volatile month for shares, and it'll just be interesting to see how this sort of pans out this time. Also as well, obviously you've got to bear in mind with the elections in the US as well getting ever closer, there might be a little bit of increased volatility coming through in the marketplace. Here in New Zealand, obviously, there's the higher offer for the Fisher and Paykel. Most of the advice at the moment coming out of the shareholders associations and also the company itself, you just wait to see what the independent report comes out in terms of the valuation. At $1.20, some people are saying that's a little bit cheap, and they're hoping they might get a little bit higher in terms of valuations. But just at the moment, just wait to see what comes out of that independent report before accepting any offer. Also out there in the marketplace, there's an offer from Stock and Share Trading to purchase Heartland shares. They're currently offering you 40 cents per share. The last traded price on the exchange was 65 cents. So for every 1,000 shares that you would sign over to them by signing the green acceptance form, we'll be potentially giving up $250. Now, even after taking into consideration brokerage for selling those shares, it's not going to cost you $250. So if you are looking at selling those, rather than assigning those shares to the company, please call us on 0800 867 323, and we'll be able to help you with the sale and increase your returns rather than passing them over to Stock and Share Trading Company. Still quite a bit of interest out there, and obviously the high dividend shares. Still seeing some reasonable buying interest in Chorus. You know, that's returning a dividend yield of approximately sort of 7.5%, which does sort of compare quite favourably. Also as well, still quite a bit of interest as well in these annual resets. You know, some of these can have some pretty attractive characteristics out there. With a reset looking approximately around the same as a one-year bank term deposit, but potential for some capital gain out there, which does make them reasonably attractive. And if you're interested in these annual resets, call us on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.